शिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्य मध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। श्लोका नंबर 518। महास्वप्ने मायाकृत जनिजरा मृत्युगहने भ्रमन्तं क्लिश्यन्तम् बहुलतरतापैरनुदिनम् अहंकारव्याघ्रव्यधितः इमम् अत्यन्तकृपया प्रबोध्य प्रस्वापात् परमवित्तवान् मामसि गुरो मामसि गुरो। ஏதோ ஒரு டிஃபரெண்ட் டூன் வந்தது. சரி, we'll go to subject. Tune விட்டுடுங்க. So finally he is concluding the gratitude towards his guru. Hey Guru, महास्वप्ने मायाकृत जनि जरा मृत्युगहने भ्रमन्तं क्लिश्यन्तं. I came to you with full of confusion, delusion. I was in a big dream, Mahaswapnam. Not ordinary dream, great big Swapnam. What Swapnam? Maya Kritam. It is made up of Maya. Deep sleep, when you are going to sleep, you get dream. That dream is because of Nidra Shakti. That is the Swapnam you get in the dream. Shastra says the whole Jagat is like a dream, Swapnam. Here what Shakti is functioning? Maya Shakti alone is functioning. There Nidra Shakti and the Swapnattiki Karanam. Here this Swapna, so Maya Shakti is the cause. So you have to see the Drishtanta. Drishtanta is Nidra Shakti and Swapna. Now this Jagat is the Maya Shakti. Through Maya Shakti I am seeing the world which is also a Swapna. Swapna, Shastra says, until I get Nishtha, what I see is Swapna as real. But Shastra Drishtya, this whole Jagat is like a Swapnam. Whole world is like a Swapnam. Maya Kritam. In that Swapnam we get what? So many things. So that Maya Shakti leads to what? Jani, Jara, Mrityu. Birth. Jani means birth, Jara means old age, Mrityu means death. These are all Gahane. Gahane means very deep, dense, very very difficult to find the root. In forest you can't find the root easily. Similarly, about this birth, about this death, about this old age, very difficult to know its nature. Gahani. So I was wandering, Brahmantam, Brahmadhatu, wandering. Klishyantam, I was suffering. Klishyantam, atikashtam anubhavati. Then bahulatara tapaihi anukalam or anudinam. Every day in every interaction, bahulatara tapaihi. So many tapams. I was scorched by, tormented by so many problems. From childhood onwards, from the mother womb when I have taken place, my birth, from that time onwards I am suffering. Ahankara Vyagra. What is the tiger in that forest? Birth, death, disease, forest law. What is the tiger I have faced? In Ahankara tiger, which is the cause for many problems. Yesterday we saw Ahankara means what? Secondary I. That secondary I is the cause, Ahankara. That Ahankara, Shankaracharya compares with what? Tiger, Vyagram. Now we are nourishing that Ahankara. That means what? Every day feeding the tiger. Aham, Ahankara, that ego, we are nourishing it. Feeding the tiger is a danger. No, it is harmful for us. Any time it will come and eat. Pasi onda saapidum avladha. Tiger madru. Vyagra vyadhita. I was suffered so much. Imam atyanta kripaya. With this knowledge you have given out of your extreme compassion. Atyanta means extreme. Imam mam. Atyanta kripaya. Mam ani irukano, or dirgham irukano nenikren middle lo. Imam mam. Atyanta kripaya prabodhya. Out of compassion, what you did? You taught me in spite of so many hurdles like this. When that guru also taking maybe lot of mosquitoes, lot of bees, so many things might have disturbed. And prabodhya, having taught to me, what you did? Prasvapat, from this ajnana nidra, you have woken up me. Prabodha means what? You have woken up me. Prasvapat, this ajnana nidra, maya nidra, maya shakti. Paramavitavan. Mam asi. Oh, from here we have taken mam. Hey Guru, mam, you have protected me. You have protected me. Avitavan means protected me. Avdhatu, to protect. You have protected me from this jara, marana, samsara by waking up me from my ajnana nidra, maya nidra. Up to here we saw in the last class. Now we read the next shloka, 519. Namastasmai sadaikasmai kasmai chinmahase namaha yadetad vishwarupena राजते गुरुराजते. Now he is addressing his guru as Raja, the prince. Hey Guru Raja. Guru Raja na Guru Raja. You are the prince of teachers. There are so many teachers. But you are the prince of teachers and Sarvabhauma Chakravarti. All other teachers are lesser than you. There are so many gurus, but you are the guru who gave me self-knowledge. From samsara bhrama, samsara chakram, you have woken up me. The samsara dream, you have woken up me. Therefore, namaha tasmai. Tasmai means to you. Namaha, namaskarams, salutations. Sada ekasmai. See, he looks upon Guru as Param Brahma. Sada, all the time. Ekasmai, one who is existent principle. Ekaha, Sat principle. Sada ekasmai. You are that. I salute to you, Tasmai. What type of you? Sat and Ekaha. You are existent principle. You are the one. That means consciousness. You are Param Brahma. Ityarthaha. Sat Ekasmai. One who is existence. Sata Ekasmai. Or you can take another meaning. Sada Ekasmai. Na. Always. Sada means always. Ekasmai na non-dual. Who is non-dual, such you. To such you, my salutation. Sada ekasmai. Sat also you can take. Sada ekasmai. Kasmai chit. Chit means same Brahman, conscious. And Satla, existence. You are the existent principle and you are Chit principle. Kasmai. Kasmai Chit. To the same Brahman. Mahase. Mahan. Mahase means great. Namaha. He is again describing. Yat etat. Yadetat. Vishwarupena. Yat etat. That which is Sat and Chit. Yat etad Vishwarupena. Which is in the form of universe. Mahavakya mantra. You are the Sat Chit principle. That which principle is in the form of the universe. Vishwarupena. See, now he has brought that Guru and the Vishwam are one and the same Brahman. Vishwarupena Rajate. You are illumining. Raj means to illumine. You are illumining the whole universe as Sat Chit principle. Vishwarupena. You are that Guru Rajate. Vai Guru Gukaras Tvandhakaro Vai Rukaras Tan Nivartakaha Andhakara Nirodhitvat Guru Rityabhidiyate. You have removed my Ajnana Andhakara. Ajnana Andhakaram. Therefore you are Guru. You are the Satchit principle illumining the whole universe. Therefore Vishwarupena Rajate Guru Rajate. This is the Jnanamanda. You can see that Guru universe as Brahman. There is no difference. This is real knowledge. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಶಿಷ್ಯನಿಗೆ All over. இங்க என்ன பேச முடியும்? Vishwarupena rajate Guru rajate means totally understood. Now Guru is so happy. He is explaining now the Guru's words. Now onwards. Having seen such a type of Sishya, now the Guru address. Iti natamavallokya Sishyavaryam Samadhigatatmasukham Prabuddhatatvam Pramudita Hridayam Sadeshikendraha Punaridamaha vachaha Param Mahatma. Iti, thus Saha Deshikendraha. Saha, that third line, Deshikendraha means Uttama Guruhu. Deshi means dish, means to show the direction. Indraha means Indraha. Deshikendraha means he is the Lord. Indra means Lord, who showed the direction to the student. Right direction. He is called Deshikendraha. Uttama Guru ityadraha. Indraha means Shreshtaha ityarthaha. Deshi means Guru. The one who shows the direction is called Deshi. Dish dhatulonu vandade. Kendraha. Deshikaha, Indraha, Deshikendraha. Deshikaha, you can take the Guru. Indraha, Shreshtaha. Guru Shreshtaha or Uttama Guru. Because there are Madhyama Guru, Adhama Gurus also. Uttama Guru is, what is the definition of Uttama Guru? Shrotriya Brahmanishtham. Guru is called Uttama Guru. That Guru, Saha, Punaha idam vachaha aha. So again another adjective, Param Mahatma. Fourth line. Param means supreme. This Deshikendraha Uttama Guru is supreme. Param Mahatma, great soul. Great Mahan. Mahatma means Mahan Atma Yasya Saha. Whose Atma is Mahan, means wise person and ityartha. Gnani, Mahatma. Such a Guru, aha. He said. What he said? Punaha, again, idam vachaha. The following verses. Idam vachaha. Idam means this. These verses, these words, following words. Vachaha. Aha means said, uttered. Punaha means again. Once already teaching was over. Again, final benediction, final words, concluding words. When you want to send somebody after staying with you long time. Antevasi in Gurukulam, they stay for a long time, 12 years, 20 years, like that. They stay and study. When they are giving send-off, farewell party. Okay, farewell party. Adi madri. Punaha idam vachaha aha. By seeing whom? By seeing that student. What type of student? These are adjective to that student. Natam avalokya. Having seen that student who is saluting him. நமஸ்தஸ்மை நமஸ்தஸ்மைன்னு சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கான் இல்லையா. ஹேவிங் சீன், அவலோக்கிய, லெபந்தம், அவலோக் தாத்து, டு see, having seen. Natam means nam dhaatula வந்து natam has come. Nam means to do namaskara, namaskaram. Natam avalokya sishya-varyam is not an ordinary sishya. Varyam means greatest. Sishya-varyam, it says to the sishyam, Sishya-varyam, to that greatest student, Sishya-varyam. Who is he? What type of Sishya? Samadhi-gata Atma-sukham. Samadhi-gata Atma-sukham means the one who has acquired. Samadhi-gata Atma-sukham, the one who has claimed Atma Ananda. Who has claimed Atma Ananda, Samadhigata. Samyak Adhigatam, then one who has received. Having received, he has claimed that Ananda. I am that Brahman. ஆனந்தம் வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் குருவே தெரியாது, மறந்து போயிடுவோம் அப்படியே டாடா பை பை சீரியோன். We have to express our gratitude, and what way we have understood also should communicate to the teacher. Is it not? We have to communicate. So that Uttama Guru, having seen, he saw the student who is completely satisfied. When he does namaskara, so many times by uttering that Brahmananda, that Brahma Swarupam I am, he is uttering, that means he is satisfied. Such a student, happy, pramudita hridayam, and prabuddha tattvam, who has woken up from that ajnanam, prabuddha tattvam, who has understood that Brahman nature. Who has understood that prabuddha tattvam, atma tattvam. Because of that atma jnana, pramudita hridayam, ananda. Pramudita hridayam means who has got that hridaya, his heart is filled with ananda. Mud means santosham, ananda. Prakarshena muditam, totally, completely, doubtlessly, எப்பவுமே bloomy face, smiling. How the person can smile all the time? சில பேருக்கு டவுட் வரணும், அப்படி ஆனந்தமா இருக்கணும். நம்ம எல்லாம் சீரியஸா இருப்போம். ஸோ பிரமுதித்த ஹிருதயம், ஹிருதயத்துக்குள்ள, ஓகே, ஹிருதயத்துக்குள்ள he is so happy. Pramudita hridayam sishya-varyam. All these are adjective to that Sishya. So who is such a disciple, the teacher saw and uttered these words, who is happy in his heart. What are those words he has uttered? Now we see the next verse. Shloka number 521. Brahma pratyaya santarjagatah ato brahmaiva tatsarvatah पश्याध्यात्मदृशा प्रशान्तमनसा सर्वास्वस्थास्वपि रूपादन्यदवेक्षितं किमभितः चक्षुष्मतां दृश्यते तद्वद्ब्रह्मविदः सतः किमपरम् बुद्धेर्विहारास्पदम्. Now it's like an ashirvada. போயிட்டு வா అని சொல்றோம் இல்லையா? So I am very happy, and the last words he is giving benedictive words, like ashirvada we can take, final ashirvada. In this shloka he is bringing that one Upanishad quotation, sarvam khalvidam brahma, everything is Brahman. That idea he is bringing in this verse. What is the meaning? Jagat Brahma Pratyaya Santatihi. The whole Jagat, the universe, is Brahma Pratyaya. Pratyaya means thought. What thought? Brahma Pratyaya. The thought of Brahman. Only Brahma Alochanaina. Brahman thought alone. Pratyaya. Now just as we heard the sound, what Pratyaya came? We arrived at what? Brahma Pratyaya. Ellame Brahmanda. Brahma Pratyaya. Santati means flow. Santati means flow of Brahman thought. Flow of Brahman thought. The whole Jagat is nothing but the flow of Brahman thought. Where the mind goes, there you are. Oh Lord, you are the Chaitanyam where the mind goes. How mind goes? Because of Atma Swarupam. Therefore Atma is everywhere. So wherever the vritti goes, who is there? Thought is there, and the mind behind, who is there? Atman is there. So therefore Brahma Pratyaya Santati. High philosophy lo chonna, this is mic. I know this is mic. Isness is Brahman. I know is Brahman. So who is pervading here? This is mic. I know mic is the thought. Really what is that? Sat and Chit. Brahman. So Brahma Pratyaya Santatihi, flow. In every interaction, what is there? Brahma Pratyaya Santati. ஆனாலும் நம்ம எப்படி பார்க்குறோம்? என்னமோ சந்ததி பார்க்குறோம். மை டாட்டரு சன்னு இது அதுன்னு சொல்லி இந்த சந்ததி பார்க்குறோம். நம்ம சாஸ்திர சேஸ் பிரம்ம சந்ததி, பிரம்ம பிரத்யய சந்ததி பார்க்கணும். அத்தஹா, therefore means wherefore, since every thought is in the universe is nothing but Brahma Pratyaya. In the universe, there is universe. What is there? Your thought is going there. Everywhere, Jagat Asti is a thought. It is a Pratyaya. And the Jagat Astila, who is there? Brahman. So therefore, how can you be away from Brahman? Tell me. Therefore, Ataha Brahma eva tat sarvataha. Brahman alone is there in everywhere, in everything. Sarvataha. Pratyaya means cognition. You can take it as cognition. So, when you see the Swarna Darshanam, Abharana Darshanam is what Darshanam? Swarna Darshanam. When you see the gold chain, What you are seeing? Swarnam, gold only you are seeing. Is it not? So therefore you cannot be away from the gold when you are seeing the chain. Similarly, the whole world is like a chain. Brahma Jagat, Swarna Abharana Madri, Brahma Jagat. Jagat Pakumbod enna Pakaram? Brahmanda Pakaram. Analum Brahmanu Madri Tirila. Adi Yadinalana Maya Shakti. Therefore, this is one way of interpretation. Sarvam Brahmana, desk is, mic is, chain is, house is, man is, woman is. And the easiness illamal edavadhu solla mudiyuma? So sarvataha Brahma eva. Why Brahman is Sadrupam? దానికి దీనికి సరిపోయింది కదా. Then therefore Pashya Adhyatma Drishya. Adhyatma Drishya means you see in this manner. Prashanta Manasa, with a tranquil mind. Who can grasp this? A mind which is wandering here and there. That mind can never grasp. You should see this Brahman everywhere with tranquil mind all the time. Never lose sight of. Adhyatma Drishya, Atma iti Drishya. With that, anda parvayoda pakanam, anda nokkattoda pakanam. That vision, with that vision, Atma Drishya, Adhyatma Drishya. With that Atma vision, you have to see that. Pashya, you see that. So Jagat Darshanam is called Brahma Darshanam. So next line, Rupad Anyat Kim Avekshitam Avitaha Chakshushmatam Drishyate. He is giving Drishtanta. How anyone can see with their eyes other than forms and colors. A beautiful example. Look at it. Rupad Chakshushmatam. The one who is having eyes, Kannu Irkavan, that person who is having the eyes, Chakshushmatam, the people who are all having eyes, Kim Anyat Avekshitam, what they can see. Kim Anyat Avekshitam, Avekshitam means seen, Anyat, different. Different from Rupat. Rupa means forms and colors. Kim Anyat Avekshitam Rupat. The people who are all having eyes, what is seen by them other than forms and colors? They cannot see anything. They see what? Forms and colors. What you are seeing with your eyes? No, I am seeing different thing. எப்படி சொல்ல முடியும்? யாரு பார்த்தாலும் ஃபார்ம் கலர் இதுதான் பார்க்குறோம். ஸோ சக்ஷுஷ்மதாம் திருஷ்யதே, அவன் மூலமா என்ன, that what is seen by him other than those forms and colors, nothing. Forms and colors alone he can see. Similarly, tadvat, in the same manner, Rupat Anyat Avekshitam, to see anything other than forms and colors. Drishyate Kim, that's third line lo. Drishyate Kim, is it possible for anyone to see anything other than forms and colors? Is it possible to anyone to see other than colors and forms? Drishyate Kim Anyat? No. Adi Madri Tadvat. Brahmavidaha Sataha किम अपरम बुद्धेः विहारास्पदम. Brahmavidaha, the people, the wise people, the knowers of Brahman, the knowers of Brahman, Brahmavidaha, Sataha aparam kim buddhehe viharaspadam. For their buddhi, for their intellect, to those wise people, what is that other thing? Aparam, Sataha aparam, means other than Sat, other than Sat Brahma, Viharaspadam, to entertain. Viharaspadam means to entertain to their buddhi. For those wise people, what is there other than Brahman? Sataha aparam, other than Brahman, Sat Brahma, Brahmavidaha buddhehe. For those wise people, knower of Brahman, avங்களுடைய புத்திக்கு விஹாரம் பண்றதுக்கு வேற என்டர்டெயின்மெண்ட் என்ன இருக்க பிரம்மன் தவிர. Like you people, no? You are all Brahmavidaha. You cannot enjoy other than Brahman. No? You enjoy only Brahman. Everywhere Brahman, Brahman, Brahman. எது என்டர்டெயின்மெண்ட் வேணுமா? இந்த பிரம்ம ஆனந்தம் விட என்ன ஆனந்தம் வேணும்? பிரம்மானந்தம் இஸ் த ஆனந்தம். புத்தேஹே கிம் அபரம் சதஹ அபரம் விஹாராஸ்பதம் அஸ்தி கிமபி நாஸ்தி. ஃபார் நாட் ஆல் பீப்புள், ஃபார் பிரம்மவிதா. அதனால பிரம்ம ஞானிக்கு பிரம்மன் தானே தெரியும் தவிர வேற என்ன தெரியும்? கண் இருக்கிறவனுக்கு ரூபம், ஃபார்ம்ஸ், அந்த கலர்ஸ் தான் தெரியறது, வேற அது பார்க்க முடியறது அவருக்கு. அப்படி இந்த பிரம்ம விதகர் கூட, வைஸ் பீப்புள் கூட, அதர் தேன் பிரம்மன் தே கேனாட் சி எனிதிங். ஏன்னா வேற பார்க்க முடியாது, பிரம்மன் தான் பார்க்க முடியும். பார்க்க முடியும்னா நான் கண்ணால பார்க்கறதில்லை. They know that everything is Brahman. This is the status of a ஞானி. Imagine. எப்போ வரும் நமக்கு அந்த ஸ்டேட்டஸ்? அந்த நாளும் வந்துடாதோ? கண்டிப்பா வந்துடும். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகா, பியூட்டிஃபுல் ஸ்லோகா. This shloka, what 521, Nididhyasana mantra. Now 522. Kastam paranandarasanubhutihi utsrujya shunyeshu rameta vidvan चंद्रे महाह्लादिनी दीप्यमाने चित्रेन्दुमालोकयितुं कैच्छेत्. Another beautiful verse. Kaha tam parananda rasanubhutim, that is anubhutim, that in the makara will go to the first line. Anubhutim usrujya anubhuti musrujya. First we see the drishtanta. Kaha icchet, who desire? Fourth line. Kaha icchet, ichha means desire. Kaha icchet, who will desire? Who will desire what? Who will desire? Chandre mahahladini deepyamane when that Chandra, the moon, full moon, today full moon, when that full moon is available, Chandre, what type of Chandra? Maha Ahladini, the one who gives extreme Ahlada, joy, Ananda. When you see the moon, you get Ananda, Ahladam. Ahladini, in that moon who is giving Ahlada, when you see that moon, Ahladini, Maha Ahladini, not ordinary, extreme Ananda, joy. And he is shining. That moon is Deepyamane Sati. Deepyamane Sati. When that moon is shining, illumining with full prakasha, full moon. Paurnami day. Today Paurnami. Correct irukku the shlokam parungo. This full moon, when you see, when it is giving Ahlada, do you like to see Chitta Indu Alokayitum Kaha Ichet? Who desire Chitra Indu? Chitra Indu means moon. Chitra means that moon who is in the picture. Chitra means picture. Chitrendu. And the moon who is in the picture, drawing, painting is there. And the painting, one moon picture is there. Here full, see that full moon, all of you. Those who want, all of you can see today. See that. I am seeing from here. Come, go and see. Come and get up and see. I am happy if you all see. That is the purpose of Shloka. Full moon. If I am seeing that moon, do I like this moon which is in the picture? Suppose any drawing picture is there. Adi vittu idi paapona. Yaravadu in the madri moon is available, full moon. How beautiful, pleasing, ஆஹ்லாதமா இருக்கும்போது அது கண்ணு முன்னாடி இருக்கும்போது யாராவது வந்து அந்த பேப்பர் மேல ஒரு கேன்வாஸ் ஷீட் மேல கலர்ஸ் மூலமா போட்டுன மூணு பார்க்கறதுக்கு இஷ்டப்படுவானா கஹ இச்சேத் who will desire? No one. Nobody like to see that picture moon on the paper when the full moon is available. That means you are really fortunate. See, the shloka, the full moon, that is available here to see. How beautiful. Have you seen? You can see. This is a good opportunity. Go and see. See, amma. Paravale. Full moon. Kaha vidwan. Now you see the first line and second line. Kaha vidwan, which intelligent person? நீ பார்த்துட்டு வாங்க பரவாயில்ல நான் பேசிட்டே இருப்பேன். Kaha vidwan, that is called ahladam. See what are ahlada? Kaha vidwan, which intelligent person give up the Kaha vidwan sunyeshu rameta. Who will enjoy? Rameta means who will enjoy, who will revel. Shunyeshu. Shunya means where there is no ananda at all in this world. Who will revel by giving up parananda rasanubhutim. இந்த விவேக சூடாமணில இருக்கிற பிரம்மானந்தம் ரசானுபூதின் விட்டுட்டு யாராவது மிஸ் ஆயிட்டு will they ustrujya, having given up this ananda, any intelligent person, kaha vidwan, any intelligent person will go for another, empty. The whole world is empty. There is no sukha, no object is giving happiness. That's what he says. Kaha Vidwan, that kaha you have to supply here. Kaha vidwan rameta. Which intelligent fellow will revel? Revel what? Shunyeshu. In this worldly matters, ityartha. Shunyeshu means in the worldly matters which is unsubstantial. There is no satta at all. There is no pith in that. There is no essence in that. In that who will revel? By giving up. By giving up what? Parananda rasanubhuti. Enjoying this anubhutim. Enjoying this anubhuti means ananda, rasanubhuti means brahmananda. Parananda means brahmananda, supreme ananda. Brahmanandam vittiti, yarad will he love that worldly ananda. That's why a brahmagnaniki in the worldly pleasures are tucham. They are all pithless, meaningless, valueless. There is no taste at all. There is whatever you give, you can never make please a Brahmagnani. என்ன கொடுத்துட்டு அவருக்கு ப்ளீஸ் பண்ண முடியும்? பிரம்மானந்தம் முன்னாடி ஏதோ நம்ம ஆனந்தத்துக்காக நம்ம கொடுக்குறோமே தவிர அவருக்கு பிரம்மானந்தம் விட வேறு ஆனந்தமே கிடையாது. Nothing can give ananda because it is temporary, limited compared to this parananda anubhutim. Who will give up? That means who are all giving up, they are unintelligent people. Kaha vidwan rameta. Which intelligent person will give up? That is why intelligent people will never give up Brahmananda, Viveka Chudamani class. That which gives Brahmananda. Who are all giving up Vedanta classes which gives Brahmananda? They are all called avidwan. Unintelligent people only give up. Intelligent people will never give up. எப்படியாவது half an hour வெயிட் பண்ணியாவது கிளாஸ் நடத்திட்டு தான் போவோம். விட மாட்டோம். நீயா நானா பார்த்துக்கணும். அப்படி அதுதான் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட், அதுதான் ஸ்ரத்தா, அதுதான் பக்தி. இந்த ஆனந்தம் எதிலாவது வருமா உலகத்தில்? வராது. குரு சேஸ் ஹே சிஷ்யா, who can revel in those worldly matters by giving up this Brahmananda? Like giving up the moon, looking at the picture moon. Yaru paaka maata. Adi madri. So we are all vidwans. Next shloka. Asat padarthanubhavena kinchit nahyasti truptirna cha dukkhahanihi tadadvayanandarasanubhutya truptas sukham tishtha sadatmanishthaya. Another nice shloka. Asat padartha anubhavena kinchit na asti. By enjoying that asat padartha, unreal objects in the world which are not having any essence, asat padartha anubhavena, by experiencing them, kinchit nasti, adilo onnume illa. Enna illa? Truptihi na asti, there is no satisfaction. Na dukkha hanihi asti. In that world, because of that world, there is no any harm to this that cause out of dukkha. This world, asat, it can never give dukkham. That harmness caused by dukkha, is it possible to give for an unreal thing? Asat padartha anubhavena dukkha hanihi api na asti. That means what? It can never cause any harm to me through sorrow. Dukkha hani. Hani means harming. Harming me through by giving sorrow. What? Asat padartha anubhavena. Pani anubhavena varadevnakana. But we are giving sat reality to them. If I know asat padartha, it is, how can I get harm through that dukkha? I will never get. Tadvat tat advayananda rasanubhutya. By that, Vidwan, Advayananda means non-dual Ananda, by enjoying that Anubhuti, Rasa Anubhutya. Truptaha Sukham Tishthaha. Tishtha. Hey, Sishya, Tishtha, you remain. By enjoying that Brahmananda, you remain as what? Truptahas. San Sukham Sadatmanishtaya Tishtha. You remain in that contentment, satisfaction, happiness, by remaining always in that Sadatma. That's why Guru is a Guru when he make at least one person wise. Otherwise, Guruship is not validated. Guruhood cannot be validated if he cannot make another person a Brahmavit. He is not a Guru at all. Even though Guru has got many followers, many admirers, many students he may have. But if he is not able to make any single student wise, Atma Gnani, he is not to be called as a Guru. According to Shastra, there are all so-called mushroom gurus. However much he is a great person, Shastra never care. If you change one student, at least one student, I can claim I am a Guru. Until that time, my Guruhood can never be validated. When Guru status can be validated by the student, I can never claim I am a Guru. My Sishya has to validate my Guruship, Guruhood. How can he validate? When I remove the Ajnana from him. That Guru alone is the Guru. You may be after Jnanam, you may be away from physically from that Guru. After Jnanam, you may not be physically with the Guru, associated with the Guru. But you are somewhere, but you are carrying whom? A Jnani student carrying whom? Guru only. All the time Guru, Guru, Guru is there in the heart. Other than Guru, no one can stay. Because that Aham Brahmasmi Jnanam, Guru has given. So the Guruship is validated, carried by the student throughout the life. ஒரு சிஷ்யா போதும். நிறைய சிஷ்யர் எனக்கு மாதிரி இருந்தா இன்னும் ஜாலி ஜாலி. I have so many students like that. No? That means that Jnanam alone is the ultimate. More in the next class. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Guru श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्।